How to install Leo double wall and ceiling curtain track. Follow these simple steps and you'll have it installed in no time. Here's the complete Leo double wall and ceiling curtain track system, including all necessary accessories. Here are the tools needed for installation. Make sure to prepare them in advance. Okay, let's get started. Insert the fixing pin into the slot in one track. Slide the connector into the track slot on the top. Align the adjacent track's slot with the pin and push firmly to connect. Finally, secure the connector with a wrench to create a continuous track. Detach the track end cap and insert the counterweight into the track. Snap the end cap back into the track and secure it with the wrench. Mark the mounting position on the wall. Punch holes for mounting. Insert the expansion screws. Secure the mounting bracket with screws. Insert the screw into the bracket hole, aligning it with the counterweight. Secure with a wrench. Dual track installation order. Inner track, install first for proper clearance. Outer track, install after inner track is secured. Snap the magnetic cover into place for bracket. Your track is now ready for curtain installation. Mark the mounting position on the wall. Punch holes for mounting. Insert the expansion screws. Secure the mounting brackets. Clip the track onto the brackets.